We are now in Chatham, 1 hour from the Naha airport. Like this, all the very colorful building, really tropical trees, and make me feel really I'm in a tropical island. This time I travel with my friend. His name is Ken.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, Ken.
Hi, this is Ken.
Hi. So you are working in Tokyo, right?
Yeah, I'm working in Tokyo.
And kind of like sometimes you feel the pressure.
Yeah, I feel always pressure.
Oh my god, oh really?
Yeah, sometimes I wanna come to this kind of
place.
place.
We are staying in this town about a week and just chill, and also we are doing some job work, and also
maybe we can go to some nature spots.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I will show you guys how the Okinawa looks like. Yeah, I really like taco rice, and this shop is only for taco rice, and yeah, these pictures make me feel amazing. Yum. Cheers, kanpai. And so he's working as a full-time for IT company, so yeah, from now it's 2:30 p.m. but he's continuously working. Me also, I drink beer, but I'm working. Yeah, and with a very great view, and yeah, very relaxed. This is a Cafe San Francisco, and it's really in the center of the Chatham, the American village. View is very beautiful, and also this cafe have Wi-Fi. So if you want to some job, work, it's very great spot. Cococious Okinawa Monpa Hotel. I really recommend you guys to spend the days here in Chatham like this, just tripping, chill, and besides me there are many people doing surfing, and yeah, I can be really relaxed here.
Yeah, this restaurant is very local.
Yeah,
it's totally different from the Cococious and this kind of sushi restaurant.
Yeah, and also sushiro.
Yeah, we can eat. You can look this.
Yeah.
Shichumachi. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is original from Okinawa.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is very local.
Yeah.
You can eat really local Okinawa fish.
Okinawa specific fishes. Okay. We are drinking Orion beer, and it's originally from Okinawa. And it's very tasty, and yeah, it tastes very good. Ouch! We are going to the north part of Okinawa Island, and that area is called Yanbaru National Park. And you said all the Japanese birds, the 50% are coming from this area.
Oh,
so
really?
we are looking for the nature and the bird and the really specific species. It costs about 600 yen. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What a great nature.
これすごいな。
すごい。西表より俺好きやわ。森の感じは。I'm now coming here, the Yanbaru National Park, and it's a northern part of Okinawa main island, and it's all surrounded by the very green nature, and really reminds me of the Iriomote Island. It's also the remote island in Okinawa, but all the nature. Yeah, look at that. This tree. This tree looks really different from, and I think we cannot see this one in the Japan main island. Yeah, it's very cute, very beautiful. すごいな。 wow, this is a very jungle area and really reminds me of the jungle in Malaysia. Yeah, tree is very big and the water is very clean, and I think I can drink it. And
yeah, you can drink it.
oh yeah, tasty. Yeah, I'll be so salty, but it's really good. Yeah, this looks very nice, and like a fish and also the miso soup. And this one, like it's a really Japanese, like tofu, and I'm really excited. And sometimes I talk to the people and could you make it large size, and they're very kind, and yeah, finally I get the big size. Yeah, so this place is very close from that national park, but yeah, I lost the draw. And this one, wasabi. Okay, here we go. Oh, a bit wasabi killing me.